Time to get in the car and go see Santa. Who's excited about seeing Santa?
Hey everybody, so it is really feeling like the holidays. It's pretty dang cold out here, and we are actually driving back up to the mountains to stay at my sister's house tonight so that we can do one of our old traditions we did for years with the kids, and that is having breakfast with Santa in the morning. That's so exciting. I'm glad that we get to be here for this Christmas and experience some of the traditions. We're trying to savor them all and soak them all up this year while we're back in the States. Tomorrow night we will go to a parade, a Christmas parade. And yeah, we're excited about a great couple days. It's gonna be fun. Are you excited?
Hey, so excited.
Okay, so we have arrived. First thing is to take out Phoenix, and we have some very specific instructions for that. So I have some notes. I'm gonna try to go do this the right way. Here we go, Phoenix. So Phoenix has been outside to go to the bathroom, and now Wyatt is rewarding her with some playtime.
Are you a good girl, Phoenix?
James is working on the vlog.
I got a little
Cogs.
friend, a little helper.
Cogs can't resist him. Cogs just jumps on his lap and he won't leave him alone. James is trying to get him to go away. He's ignored him. He's done everything so that James could continue working on the vlog. Cogs.
Like a bit like bad breath. Smells like cat food.
He has bad breath. Coming to me now. Hi, Cogsy.
So the Dales have their Christmas tree up. It's all lit up. It looks beautiful.
I'm so dizzy.
And Jude is dizzy from all the spin dancing.
Is this couch tilting?
Yes, the couch is tilting. Is she awake? So we're at the Dale tribe this morning, and it is time to get in the car and go see Santa. Who's excited about seeing Santa?
You're in line, Jude. Are you excited? What about Wyatt? Is Wyatt excited? You are? Are you sure? Are you sad?
I'm excited.
Have a seat with Santa. Alright, the boys got themselves some yo-yos. We just saw Santa. Now maybe we can see Mrs. Claus. It's kind of crazy up in here.
Did you see Santa? Did you tell him what you wanted? Oh, do you want me to tell him for you?
Go ahead.
What's your name?
They're in grabbing some cookies now. Oh, they got some good ones. Alright, now it's on to the breakfast line, and we'll get some pancakes and sausages. I think the boys are really hungry. Jude, are you excited about your pancakes?
Yes.
Alright. How about Wyatt? Gravy.
Husband and Wyatt are playing something Christmassy. Hey, how did those sleds? You tried earlier to get the sled ornaments to go on the snow. How'd that work for you?
They won't sled by themselves, but I think it's because the hills aren't steep enough.
Oh. Jude, is that your house?
Nope. Yes. It's up
Nice.
there.
Happy birthday to you.
I almost said happy birthday, dear Scarlett.
Oh, well, it's a long time till my birthday.
This one's from Jude.
She's being so cautious. Look at her.
I don't want to rip Jude's
She's
arm.
taking care of your art. Isn't that sweet?
This one's from me. That's so perfect for you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We are off. The boys are
up, please.
the boys are having some difficulty buckling because they have their gloves on right now. But we are off to the Christmas parade, and Anna and Shay are in it, and it's just super fun, but it's always also super cold, so we're hoping we can make it through and that we don't get too cold. We tried to really layer. So here we go. It's gonna be fun. Are you excited for the parade?
Yes.
We're outside and we're super excited for the parade to start. Yay! Are you excited?
Yes. Do we get any candy?
They might throw some candy.
It's Smokey! Merry Christmas!
Smokey the Bear.
Shay and Aspen! Woo! Yeah.
Frosty.
Oh, it's Frosty! Look, who's this guy? I don't know who he is.
Rudolph.
Look, guys, it's a giant.
And the peanuts.
A blast from the past with the breakfast with Santa sign, bringing it down the night that already happened. Oh no!
Merry Christmas.
Here comes Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus.
So now, tell us about the parade. How was it?
It was cool. It was very, very cool, and it was freezing. It was freezing, and I loved it.
It was freezing and you loved it, and it was very, very cool, Wyatt says.
And I was scared of some fireworks.
You were? What did you think of the fireworks, Wyatt?
Very, very cool, like the red.
And Jude, what was your favorite part of the parade?
Seeing Aspen and Shay.
Seeing Aspen and Shay dancing. And what do you think was the best, Wyatt?
Having our cousins there.
Having our cousins there? Did you guys get cold?
Yes.
Yeah. But are you glad we came?
Yes.
I have
We
pockets.
were freezing.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
I was freezing.
you were. I'm sorry, Pumpkin. I have 2 pockets full of candy that belongs to you guys, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
One slide, one walk. Stuck me.
Yes. Well, I love you guys. Merry Christmas. This was super fun, huh? Yay. Yay, Christmas parade.
Merry Christmas, everyone.